Hello drone lovers, welcome to my channel, and my name is KM. Today I'm going to try out to switch off the ADC filter. What is the ADC filter?
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning, switch warning.
Let's have a look. Okay, the ADC filter is in your radio setup. So you hold the menus button to the hardware page. Okay, and we scroll to the bottom. You can see here the last item, ADC filter. Okay, I have switched it off because I want to try. Default when it comes, it is always on. Okay, so now I'm doing an experiment to try out how it feels like with the ADC filter switched off, and I can compare in the black box between the time when I flew it with ADC filter on and now with this flight. It's not much difference in terms of the latency and in terms of the feel. Well, anyway, just have a look at the video and judge for yourself if you think it is much better than all my previous videos.